Imagine sending money abroad in just a few clicks, straight from your laptop or phone. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Wise account in minutes and start transferring money faster, cheaper, and smarter. Stay tuned to learn the easiest way to go global with your finances.
Welcome back to the channel. First, open your browser and search for Wise.com. This is the homepage of Wise. You'll see the options, open account or register. Both processes are the same, so let's begin. Step 1. Enter your email address. Start by entering your email address and click Next. Wise will send a confirmation email to verify your account. Open your email inbox, find the Wise email, and click the link to confirm your email address. Step 2. Choose your account type. Once your email is confirmed, click Continue. You'll be asked to choose the type of account you want: personal account, business account. I'll select personal account for this tutorial. Step 3. Select your country. Next, you need to specify where you live most of the time. Select your current country of residence. Wise will show you what services are available for your country. Step 4. Provide your phone number. Enter your phone number and wait for a verification code. If you don't receive the code via SMS, you can choose another option like receiving the code on WhatsApp. Once you get the code, enter it and click Submit. Step 5. Set up a password. Now, create a strong password for your Wise account. This will keep your account secure. Step 6. Fill in personal details. Provide some personal information, including your full name, date of birth, current address. After entering this information, click Confirm and Continue. Step 7. Explore your Wise account. You'll now be asked what you'd like to do first. Send money. Receive money. Take a look around. For now, I'll select Take a Look Around to explore the account features. Step 8. Add currency to your account. If you want to add a currency, click on Let's Go and select the currency you want.
Audio Jungle.
Wise requires you to transfer at least 20 euros to activate your account. Step 9. Add bank details. To add your bank details, click on the profile icon, go to Settings, scroll down to Connected Accounts, and click Connect your bank account. Wise supports accounts from specific countries, but even if your country isn't listed, you can still use Wise to receive money and transfer it to your local bank account. I'll cover the process of transferring money and adding funds in another video once I transfer some cash into this account. That's it. Your Wise account is ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.